talk about how can you select your country on your Omio app. We're going to figure out this solution or know how you can do that in your app. So all you have to do, just go down, click in this sign down here. When you click here in this sign, it's going to take you to next here. Then all you have to do, just click here on passenger details, click on it. Then you come to next here. Then all you have to do, you just come here to basic info here. So then you click here on edit. When you click here on edit here, it's going to take you to next step here. Then you go down, click here on country and origin of birth, click on it. So then here can you select your country here. When you just select here your country, then all you have to do when you select it, so when you select your country, you go down, click here on save, then it's going to save with you. That's all you have to do. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to support us by liking and subscribe.